Toyota Glanza service cost. First service free. Second service 10,000 km or 12 month rupees 1,558, including normal engine oil, oil filter, filler and drain plug. Third service 20,000 km or 24 month rupees 2,254, including engine oil filter, coolant, brake oil, filler and drain plug. Fourth service 30,000 km or 36 month rupees 5,275, including engine oil filter, water pump, dry belt, filler and drain plug, air conditioning filter and service charge. Fifth service 40,000 km or 48 month rupees 4,490, including engine oil filter, coolant, brake oil, filler and drain plug, air cleaner filter and service charge. Sixth service 50,000 km or 60 month rupees 3,508, including engine oil filter, filler and drain plug and service charge. Approximate service cost for Toyota Glanza in 5 years rupees 17,085. These are estimated maintenance cost detail, and cost may vary based on location and condition of car.